Good morning. It is 5 in the morning and I have just woken up because this is the best time to go and find some whale sharks. First, though, I need to get some coffee. I'm going with these two lovely French people. And we're going to go find some whale sharks. But right after some café au lait. Cheers. Or in Philippines, mabuhay.
Mabuhay in the coffee.
So this is Oslo, where you can go swimming with whale sharks. This is one of two places in the Philippines where you're meant to be able to do it. It's Oslo and Donsol, but I was told by everyone to come to Oslo. And yeah, we're here for the sunrise. Let's go find some whale sharks. So first there's an orientation area, you get a briefing, and they teach you all about whale sharks before you go swimming with them. Which is what we're going to do right now.
That needs to be followed during whale shark interaction. We are the most important rules. No touching of the whale sharks, no flash photography, 4 meters away from the whale sharks, and no applying of sunblock.
Now this is the part I least like, the payment section. It's 1,000, which is about, I don't know, $22, which is a standard rate for snorkeling with whale sharks. Pretty reasonable for a once in a lifetime experience, I think. One for me. Thank you. And now it is time to switch to the GoPro. now. That's absolutely amazing. It's so good. Let's hope I got some good footage. I was too concentrated on looking at it rather than using the GoPro. So I really hope I got something that looked cool. How cool was that? You can still see him. And this is my only t-shirt for today. That was so amazingly good. I really hope that I got, I don't know, you'd have just seen it, but I really hope that I got some good footage, because that was amazing, so cool. And now I'm not sure what we're doing, but I accidentally took my only t-shirt for the day in the boat, so it's completely soaked. And also I got stung a bit, apparently by jellyfish, but you can see maybe there. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you see that?
Ah, wow.
Yeah, I was like swimming and I started getting stung. Yeah. But it's okay, it was worth it. Good to see whale sharks, that's worth paying the price. That was so good, but we've stopped for a celebratory San Miguel. When in Philippines, do as the Filipinos do. How's it going, mate? Cheers. Nice one, man.
Yeah.
Cheers, dude. Cheers. By the way, side note.
Just 7 o'clock for the first beer.
It was 7 in the morning.
Yeah.
But when it's $1 for a beer, every hour is 7? I don't know. Yeah, let's go somewhere else. So where are we going now?
Waterfalls.
Where is it?
Waterfalls.
The Malo Falls.
Waterfalls, yes.
Cool, okay.
Yes.
So now we're going to Waterfalls. Yeah! We've just seen this, so we decided to jump out and have a look.
You can a bit
Alright, so this is Tomalag?
sorry, Malo Falls, yes.
Tomalag Falls. Tomalag Waterfalls. And yeah, cool. Tumalo. Yeah. Cool. And it's down there. Look how steep this road is. Keep going. Please fall in line. It's the man. The man is always trying to tell you what to do. I don't want to fall in line. I want to go exploring waterfalls. Wow! Look at this place. Oh my god. This place is incredible.
Yeah.
So nice. I will. Oh my god, that is so nice and so like amazingly cold. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I could actually just spend all day here. I had no idea this was here. Like I just thought I'd come here and this is so nice. Don't know what else to say. Anyway, I'm gonna go swimming again. think that was one of the best mornings I ever had. That was so good. Whale shark, waterfalls. That is Oslo. Philippines, Oslo. Everything people said it would be. That's absolutely amazing. And I think with that, I'm going to leave it here. I don't see how the rest of the day can top that. So again, thanks for watching, and this is my life.